everyone, this was our last night in Hawaii and I wanted something more vavavoom for our date night. I mean, let's face it, we've been on a long 1-week date since we got here, but again, I wanted something a little more special for our last night, so I've decided to go with a red lip and just very clean, glowy skin. I'm going to start using the Boum Milk by Violette. This has been my 3-in-1 skincare routine since I've purchased this. I absolutely love it. It is a toner, serum, and moisturizer all in one. It absorbs quickly and it's very hydrating. And I'm gonna follow that with my Este Lauder Futuriste foundation. I love this foundation a lot. It has great coverage, so a little bit goes a long way. And also, if you are in a pinch and you don't have time, you can use it as a concealer too. It sets beautifully. However, I've had a lot of problems with my skin lately, so I'm gonna go in with my YSL All Hours Concealer, which covers extremely well without getting cakey, without drying underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna dot that where I think it's necessary in my dark circles and a couple of dark spots and pimples. And then I'm just gonna gently set everything with my Dior Nude powder that you can see it broke during my trip. Nevertheless, I love it so much. It's just a veil, a dust of, I don't even know how to call it. It has little shiny particles, little light reflecting particles that I think makes my skin, I'm gonna say it again, glowy. For my eyes, I'm gonna keep it very simple. I'm using the Nars eyelash curler, which is fantastic, and Merit Beauty mascara. This separates my lashes beautifully and also gives them length, but it's also just very natural. I'm going to do a red lip and I don't have really big full lips, so I'm going to cheat a little bit with a nude pencil just to trace the outline of my lips where the actual red is going to be. And now the star of the show, Violette Petal Bouche, this velvety lip color that truly replicates the velvet texture of a rose. It is the most beautiful red I've worn. It's quite intense, so if you're a beginner, do what I did. Just use a little nude and trace your lips, and then go ahead and add the red. It'll make for the perfect shape. I really enjoy this. It's matte, but yet it's very comfortable on the lips, and it stays throughout your dinner. I'm gonna take my time here and really perfect it. I wanted a more graphic lip and not so much of just been kissed kind of lip. So I'm going in and making sure that the edges are sharp and everything is perfect. I really loved how it turned out, and it matches my nails and complements my dress. And to finish off, I'm going in with the Baume Shine Complexion Universal Highlighter. This is a very nice creamy balm that creates a subtle radiance. I'm just going to use my fingertips all over and apply it where I think I need, a little bit on the cheekbones, brow bone. I'm not going to forget the Cupid's bow. Again, this product works perfectly with your fingertips because it melts and it blends beautifully with the heat of your own skin. Again, this is a Violette product. If you don't know Violette, you have been living under a beauty rock. She is an amazing, amazing French makeup artist. I really admire her. She is now, I believe, the artistic director for Guerlain. I have forgotten blush. So I'm going to mix a touch of Petal Bouche with the Baume Shine and create my little own concussion here and apply it on the cheeks. It worked great. It did not irritate, it did not give me any reaction. It worked beautifully, giving me that flushed cheek look. And that is the look. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this beautiful sunset and head out to dinner. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what you'd love to see next, and I will see you next time.